Am I wrong for accidentally ruining my girlfriend's career? I'm wondering if it was an accident. Let's find out. So I'm in a tough spot right now, and I'm not sure if I'm the asshole or not. My girlfriend, 27 female, let's call her Sarah, and I, 26 male, have been together for 3 years. She's always been passionate about her job as a teacher and has worked really hard to build her career. However, a few weeks ago, I accidentally stumbled upon some photos of Sarah on Instagram that I had never seen before. They were pictures of her in some very revealing clothing, and some of them were even nude. I was so shocked, and I immediately confronted her about it. She told me that she used to be a lingerie model before becoming a teacher. She said she stopped doing it because she didn't want it to affect her career, and she thought that I knew about it already. Honestly, I didn't even know how to react about it at first, but eventually I told a few of my friends about it. One of my friends is a gossip and ended up telling someone who works at the school where Sarah teaches. Long story short, the photos somehow got into the hands of the school board, and Sarah was fired for unprofessional behavior. Sarah is absolutely devastated and blames me for ruining her career. She says that I should have just kept my mouth shut and that I betrayed her trust. I feel terrible about what happened, but I didn't know that it would lead to this. So am I wrong for accidentally ruining my girlfriend's career? Dude, yes you are. You're a grown man. Okay, let me scroll to the top to see how old this fool was. Yeah, 26. No, he should have known better. He's a grown man. There is no good excuse to gossip with your friends about your girl's personal business like that. Honestly, I'm pretty offended for the girl here. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this situation, and also rate my newest Pisces jar from 1 to 10. I love this one, so cute.